Okay, so we know what we're building now, but how are we going to build it? Well, there's only going to be 3 components apart from the root component in this application, and they will look something like this. We have our root component sitting at the top. Then we have a welcome screen which will be shown to the user when they go to just /, and that will be where they enter their username for the chat. Then when they go into the chat, at /chat will show them this chat component right here, and this will show them the whole chat window with the different messages inside that chat window. Nested inside that will be a new message component down here, and this will be a form that a user fills in when they want to add a new chat, so just an input field and a button. Also, this chat component over here will be listening to the database for new messages being added to the collection over here. So when that happens, when we get a new message, this component will receive that message and it will output that to the browser. So that's it. It's a pretty simple setup at a glance, and we'll get started by setting up our Firestore in the next video.